Welcome back to the Blackbird Show. Tonight I'm just going to do a little video of one of the birds I'm taking to a pet shop tomorrow. They'll only take birds that are in perfect condition, and we're going to be taking 2 pairs of Golden Finches. We've got other ones that are nearly ready, but I've just got a few head feathers that haven't quite come through right. And, if I take the perfect ones, I've got a couple of cockbirds which are nearly there, and then there's 4 to 5 which might have another month to go, really. So we'll see. We may take some canaries, but that will be going to a different pet shop. But we'll make that phone call in the morning. I'm just going to show you the birds that we're taking. So these are all related, so they're not really pairs, but you know, we have got a cock and a hen in here. So there's a cock there. It's a red-headed, purple-breasted, greenback, and we have the black-headed, which has got a bit of red on it as well. She's just like the mother. There it is, with a sort of violet chest. Really nice bird. That's the hen. They're a nice pair, actually. Whether they'll end up being a pair, I don't know. No, this one, this over here, another 2. Both of these white-breasted cock there with the greenback, and we have the black-headed hen, pure black head. That is. That's a lovely bird. One of the ones I'm still keeping one like that. So basically a pair of white-breasted, red and black head. So these birds are going to be going tomorrow. I'll do a bit of video, hopefully, of the trip down and put them in their cages. So stay tuned to see how that goes. I'll also make that phone call and see whether I can move out some canaries. And if I do, then we'll take some canaries down to Bristol. Thanks for watching so far. Keep tuned. I had a phone call. I made a phone call with the people in Bristol, and they'll take 12 from the canaries. So I've selected a few. So let's have a look. Let's go around this side. I've got some yellow ones here. A few different markings. One's with a mosaic colour from the dimorphic pair I had. I think there's a bit of red factor in some of those. And we've got some dark birds here. Some of these have got a bit of red factor in them. They're quite nice birds, actually. Some of them have got a bit of a cobalt head. Nice birds. I've only put 3 in there. Let's see if I get another one. I've put them together with this piece of wood along the top of the cages, which allows me to pick them up and carry them like that. I better go and get rid of the bird. And in here we have the Golden Finches, the 2 pairs which we're taking down to Cheltenham. They are beautiful birds. Try to tuck them back in. Don't want to disturb them. So we've got the last of the those variegated ones in there now. Yeah. So that's good. I'm getting rid of, or selling on, moving on to new homes. 12 birds. That means this cage is quite, well, it still looks like there's a lot of birds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 11 birds still in there. It'll give me a chance to clean these cages out, and then perhaps move this lot, which are sort of second round, which are in there. The ones that have, you know, got through their molt fairly decent, move them over to there, and then these cages can be cleaned out for other purposes. Perhaps I'll put all the cockbirds in the top run. We'll see. Okay, so we're going to go now on my journey. Let's get petrol on the way, and I've got to get these loaded up in the back of the car. So let's lock everything up. Let's get this picked up then. And probably put a towel over them to help. Yeah, just about fit in the back of the car there. Alright, let's get a move on then. So the birds are all secure in the back. Seatbelt on. There we go, just going to drive nice and carefully, not be doing any sudden braking. Should be alright. Petrol station next, so and after that straight down to Bristol, which is about an hour and a quarter drive. Thanks, bye. Right guys, just leaving R&D Birds Bristol, and offloaded those canaries, and with obviously with some of the money I got given, I've bought some products, a few little trays, and some egg food at a good price, 20 kilos of canary seed, and a pair of cherry finches. So there's going to be some new birds for the blackbird shed. So we will, when we get back, we will put those into quarantine for a couple of weeks, and we'll see how they get on. They breed quite well apparently, but you know, I'm not bothered if they breed or not really. It's nice to add some new birds to the room, but obviously I do want them to breed, and if they do, I'll be well chuffed. It'll be absolutely fantastic. And again, it's not about how much you can get for them when I sell them, but if you can get good money for the birds that you do sell, it can go towards the seed and the upkeep of the other birds. And the hobby is about breeding. It's not about making money, and it's not about just keeping birds. You know, they're not pets. They are they're a bit of a project and a bit of a hobby. Right, we're off to Ponderosa Birds now, which is in Cheltenham. So that should take me half an hour to 45 minutes. Right, here we are. So here we are at Dundry Nurseries in Cheltenham, where we've got Ponderosa birds and pets. Right. Right, so they're here, and if you can see, there's the cherry finches we've got. There's my Gildian finches. Golden finches. Let's go and see. Right. Dropped off the Golden finches. He loves them, and we'll be taking some more down in a couple of weeks. Maybe a bit longer. It all depends on when we're down here again. Picked up some more seed and some other bits and bobs, and yeah, got some more spending money for pool night tonight. Right, let's wait till we get back, and we'll see these birds in the cage. Cheers, take care. Okay, so we've got the cherry finches in now, and they've just got, I've just put them into the cage, put them into this left hand cage here. See if we can get a decent little picture of them. The lighter one up there with the little beard is the cock bird, and the darker one is the hen. Well, they've settled in really nicely, not too scatty. Yeah, fantastic. Let's hope that they do well. And that's it. That's the only birds I brought in today, but I'm happy with those. Just got to tidy the cages up now. You know, get the muck off the bottom of these. Just give it a bit of a swill out. Got the 5 cages. Need to tidy those up now. I've got a nest box in for these already. We'll see. Right then. Yeah, so thanks for watching so far today. Let's just show you what's going on the rest of the bird shed. So we've got still about 11 birds left in there. He said he'll take as many as I've got, so some of those can go maybe next week or a week after. We've got a cock bird up there, another cock up there. This is the 3rd round, although there is a couple of Irish fancies in there which aren't from the 2nd round. Here's the 2nd round birds here, which are going through the molt at the moment. These 2 particularly going through it the worst, so I've got them separate so there's not so much feather pecking. These will be ready shortly. Might move them into this flight now, because I'm going to clean this flight out and perhaps put 1st and 2nd round birds into here. And maybe separate the Irish fancies. Not sure yet. He's doing alright up here, Blue. Obviously a bit lonely on his own, but brought him some more food. And then again, I haven't really moved on with this flight yet. Do need proper time off, and I've been doing some work in the house, so the house work is still more of a priority, so I've got to do that before I can continue finishing this. The plan is to get it finished before March, so it's a little project I can do carry on through the winter possibly. And there we go. So perhaps I'll just watch these a bit longer. He's singing already. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have to have a word with these people whether they let me film in the pet shops when I do go there. Maybe that's something I can do in the future, but at the moment I didn't feel it was appropriate. But I'll put a description and the addresses of the 2 places I went to today, in case you live in this area, in the sort of Worcestershire, Gloucestershire area. And yeah, obviously you better give them a ring if you live in this area in the UK. That's all for today then. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Please smash that like button, and please enjoy your birds. Cheers, take care, bye. Well, this looks promising. Some of the bedding is just moved around. So let's see what's been going on in here. This is the cherry finches. Possibly like the nest is and tidy up a little bit, so very promising. A little bit of a day, but we'll keep an eye on that. Oh, yeah.